Right. In this course, I'm going to be showing you a lot of passing chords, how to build them, and so on and so forth. All right, so we're going to start in the key of C. So I'll try to do stuff in different keys for different folks. All right. So to start with, I'll start with some of the things you might know and then proceed. Yeah, so first off, if you're looking for passing chords, there are things you should actually be thinking and get used to, which is number one, what is like a chromatic, what's a chromatic move that I can always pass through to get to the next chord. Let's say you're going from 1 to 2. So think about what's a chromatic move. Okay, your basis is going right. So this guy. So think about it. What can we do with this guy? You can build chords on this guy and test around. For instance, let's build and have diminish on C sharp, D flat, and see that. As you build and diminished chord, just hold your notes, count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's if you keep counting like that, you're building your diminished chord, right? So, we can do like that. So, all right. So, what if you're going to E? We can do the same thing to build a diminished chord on this guy. Count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's a new chord. Now I can build with that. So, holy are you, Lord. Now imagine that. So that's not just it. You can also build, let's say, what if we build a dominant 7 chord on this note? Let's try that out. C sharp, build your dominant. It has the formula is 1, 3, 5 flattened 7th, 1 major third in the key of C sharp, 5, and then the flattened 7th. So let's try that to 2. So sorry. Right? That sounds somehow not really the best. Not really the best. Okay, so one of the things you can now consider again is, okay, when we wanted to use, we'll try using this dominant 7, but it didn't work. What if we look at other options? Let's say, for instance, if you're going from 1 to 2, you can actually branch your 6, right? You can actually do 1, 6, then 2. That's another passing chord. So let's look at stuff you can do on 6 that will take us to 2. So you can play 1, just do a minor 6 to 2. That sounds a little bit boring. Let's try 1, major 6, 2. That's getting better a bit.